Do you want to know how you can turn off the mentions in threads? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can turn off the mentions on threads. Go ahead and open threads, which is on your phone. Now click on the profile, which you can see on the bottom left hand or your right hand corner, and click on the icon, which is this on the top right hand corner of your screen. Go to privacy and you can see mentions. Tap on mentions and there are three options to choose from: either everyone, profiles you follow, or no one. If you want your profiles which you have followed you to mention you, you can tap on this, or if you don't want anyone to follow you, go ahead and click no one. This way nobody will able to mention you, as they will be notified that this user doesn't want himself or herself to be mentioned. So I'll show you once again, guys, how you can turn off the mentions. Click on your profile, go to this settings option, click on privacy, and then click on mentions. Now you can turn off your mentions by tapping on no one. I hope this video about how you can turn off your mentions on threads was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.